I'm doing my first Uber Eats delivery, and this order is like $11 for 7 miles. So we finna go pick this up, and it was an extra $11 for another 5 miles, I want to say. So it's $22 altogether. Yeah, and this one is for Vion, and we actually finna drop off Vion order first, and then we're gonna drop off Tia. I'm at the gas station getting gas now, but I currently picked up two orders, one from Doordash, one from Uber Eats. They're both from McDonald's at the same location. So one is for $8, one is for $5, so that's $13. Okay guys, so this is the order. This is both of the orders. As you can see, I just got a, what is that, a $12.25. This order, we have to go to Dollar General. Hey guys, so I just made it to Dollar General. I'm gonna just go in and shop for the products. I'm not taking you guys with me because I'm a lady on a mission. I don't have time for that shit. Okay y'all, so I have all of the groceries right here. I just accepted a $36 order. It's 5 orders from Walmart, but why not? Because I drive pretty fast and it's all at Walmart, so that puts me at $86 for the day, right? So I'm gonna hurry up and do these 5 orders, but in the meantime I'm gonna still have my Uber Eats on, so like in the midst of me dropping off these 5 orders, I can still get Uber Eats orders. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the people to come load my car. Okay y'all, so I just got a $12.87 order on Uber Eats for Papa John's, but they still have not brought my Walmart orders yet, so I'm just sitting here waiting. Like, this really messing up my money, but I'm just sitting here waiting. So yeah, almost at 100, you guys, and it's only 5:57. I started driving at 3, so it's been 3 hours, and I'm like at $87. Well, not even 87 anymore, it's like 90 something. But yeah, and it's only been 3 hours, you guys, like literally 3 hours, probably 3 hours and 20 minutes if that. But okay guys, so I kind of don't want to show my car because it's junky now. Okay, so these are all my, I don't know if y'all can see, these are all my Walmart orders, and then this is that Papa John's order that I just picked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this off and then start dropping off all these orders, and then I'm gonna pick up Uber Eats orders in between. But if I get any more Uber Eats orders, I'm gonna just come to you guys. And yeah, okay guys, so I went ahead and dropped off my Papa John's pizza. As you can see, it's not back there anymore at all. So I just have these few Walmart orders. Okay guys, so it's currently 8:03. I could have finished doing what I was doing at 7:30, but I picked up another order. Well, actually I made a pit stop to a store because I had to pick up a few items, but I only have one delivery left that I need to drop off, and that's down the street, literally 3 minutes away. But I do have an order for $7 right here at the McDonald's, like next to me, and it's only 1 mile for $7. So I'm finna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna drop this off, and then once that's done, I think I'm taking it in for the night, even though it's not 9:30. But I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, okay guys, so this is the end of my dash. As you guys can see, my car is completely clean, no bags or anything is in here. Okay, everything is dropped off and where it belongs. So today I ended up with a total of, I just went to my calculator, let me show you guys. I made a total of $102 in 5 hours, y'all, and this was from 3 to 8, because that's the time I started. I started at like 3, because you could say 3 to 8, and I wouldn't even, it's 8:23 right now, but that 23 minutes don't matter because y'all know I was stopping, I was doing errands, I was handling business, so them 23 minutes do not matter. So yeah, for anybody thinking about doing Doordash or Uber Eats, definitely do them. If you really want to see your money, do them at the same time, especially if you're like me. Like, I'm the type of person, like, I like to see my money, so I'm still gonna dash for like gas and do Uber Eats for like gas and stuff like